Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. Just wanted to show you guys that I finally did something with these beads. Made some necklaces. I am not sure how I'm going to finish them. These are on leather cord and I like them. I'm just not sure how I want to finish them. Like, they go over the head right now, and I was gonna do a slip knot, but for now I only have that knot in there loosely because I'm going to finish it off. I don't want to put a clasp on it, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know. Which one is your favorite, if you like any of them? I think I like this one. I like all of them really, but the color schemes on this one I really love. And then we've got the oranges and the purples. Very nice. That one's a little more masculine, but anyway, let me know. Go create something amazing. Bye.